How do you make over $1,000 a day completely passively just from Instagram? In this video, we're gonna break down everything step by step on how you can make at least $1,000 a day completely passive income from Instagram, and we're gonna show you cold hard proof on how you can do it too and apply it inside of your business, regardless if you have a big following or a small one. So let's go. What is up, Valencianos? My name is Josue Pena, and like I said before, in this video, we're gonna break down everything, how to make at least $1,000 a day completely passively just from Instagram. Even if you don't have a big following or don't wanna be creating content all the time. This works insanely well. I'm gonna break down everything, show you cold hard proof, show you my screen inside of my computer right now. And like I said, it doesn't matter if you have a big following, it doesn't matter if you're in fitness or whatever. All that matters is that you have a personal brand, an Instagram account, and we're gonna break down everything step by step in my computer right now. So let's go. All right, so let's just get the elephant out of the room and show you cold hard proof how this actually works. This is a live version of a funnel that I have. Again, I'm refreshing my screen right now. And as you can see, in just about 5 days from the 25th to the 30th, we did over $18,000 in sales with an average order cart value of $135. The average conversion, right, on the front is about 5%, which is actually pretty high. The average take up on the upsell is 37%. And then the second upsell is 13%. And we're gonna break down how all this stuff works. It's actually over $1,000 a day, which is something super crazy cool. And again, we're gonna break down everything for you. But now that we have the proof out of the way and you actually see that it's actually credible, let's just break down everything and how this actually works. Now, we're just gonna go on my account right here. What we were going to be creating is what we call infomercial posts, okay? I actually have one right here. This is just simply promotional posts that you post promoting your products and services, okay? The idea is that you're able to build an offer that's low ticket, right? $47, $97, $10, whatever. Something that people can buy easily without you having to be involved in the sales process. This creates multiple things. One, it creates trust with your audience. Two, you're able to create a list of buyers, which is something super insanely powerful that you can then upsell into your higher ticket offer, which obviously is extremely important that we also talk about here on our brand and on our channel. Now, what do you do with this? Well, simply, in this case, right, we're actually promoting the high ticket, but you simply are able to post infomercial posts like this, promoting your offer, and then simply tell people, hey, click the link in bio if you want this result, okay? So for example, let me just show you another great example, right? The posts that you're gonna be promoting are called quote unquote lead magnets. And they're posts simply that have a question or some sort of end result to it. So for example, if you're in fitness, you can have, do you want to build muscle fast? Click link in bio. And you can have a picture of a guy that's shredded with six-pack abs or whatever. And people that are actually interested in becoming lean or having a six-pack or building muscle are going to go and click the link in the bio, okay? And this is insanely powerful. You can see right here, actually, back in 2017, my business was almost going to go out of business, and just this strategy alone saved me tremendously. You can see right here from the 3rd to the 4th, we actually did over $11,000, and that's $11,000 in just 24 hours, which is absolutely wild. And I'm telling you, this strategy works. It has proven to work for years and years, and it works insanely well today. Okay, so another way that you can do this is if you, let's say, for example, you have a live training or a live webinar or a live event that you want to promote and push people towards, you can also do it like free Instagram training or free training today at 8 p.m. or on April, let's just say 13th at 8 p.m. or whatever it is. Click the link in bio. Again, the most important thing is you pushing people from your Instagram feed back to the link in bio for them to buy your products and services or register for a live event. We actually were able to get a ton, over 2,500 registrants to a live webinar on the very first one that I actually did back in 2016. And we actually had 2,500 registrants completely for free, or actually we spent like about $500, but it was just because of this one strategy. Now, how do you actually create this and how, let me just show you more examples, right? Let's say you you have a program or some ebook or whatever, or a little mini course that teaches people how to travel the world for free. You can just post a picture, want to travel the world for free, click link in bio, free Instagram training or Instagram training on how to do it, right? You can see right here, for example, let's say you have a marketing agency, run a business or learn how to market on Instagram, click link in bio, right? Let's just say you have, I don't know, again, fitness, because it's very simple, right? Learn the secret to becoming more athletic, click link in bio, right? Do you want to build muscle fast? Click link in bio. As you can see, I'm always asking questions about the end result people want. Do you want to build muscle fast, right? The best workout program, right? Free football training program. right? And these are all posts that I made and that got insane amount of leads for that particular page and that business that I was running at that time. So you can do this whether you're in fitness, relationship, it doesn't matter, right? The most important thing is that you're able to create a good hook, a good image, and you post it on the page. Now, here's something that needs to be said that is extremely, insanely important, okay? If these posts are obviously promotional posts, these posts are not going to get the engagement that you want on Instagram. They're going to die down. So what do you need to do? Well, after 3 to 4 hours, you want to actually archive them or delete them and then re-upload them again. That is why we particularly do them late at night after, let's just say 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m. And we call them like the quote unquote late infomercial posts because they work similar to an infomercial on TV, right? So same thing, you post them, you leave them up for 3-4 hours. Actually, you don't even need to take them down. You leave them up and then you are able to schedule it out, all of them, with a tool called Creator Studio on Facebook. So I'm going to show you how that looks. You can just see Creator Studio right here. I can just go right here, create a post, Instagram feed, and I am able to upload any content that I want directly from my computer right here, and it schedules it out automatically right here from it. So let's just say I'm just going to type in hello. I'm able to boom, hit schedule, and then it uploads automatically at whatever time that I want. So for example, let's just say I want it for tomorrow at 9 p.m., 9:46 p.m. I'm able to boom, hit schedule, and this post will go up. Obviously, in this case, it will just be the promotional post that you post, and then you can do that throughout the night. The coolest part about this is that people are going to be hit by your promotion over and over and over again. And then when the morning comes, you can delete all the posts and that's it. You're good to go. Very, very easy. It's a very easy way that you can push traffic to the link in bio. And this works even if you have a small following. Now the question becomes, what happens if you have, let's say, less than 1,000 followers and you want to bring more people into your funnel or, buying your products and services, and maybe you're not satisfied with $1,000 a day. You want more, right? What you can easily do is simply buy shout outs and promotions from bigger pages. So let's just say you're in business. An account that you can use that's very good is Entrepreneurship Facts, right? You simply pay them to promote your page. And actually, we talked about this on another video on how you can create these promotions. The link for that is going to be down below in the description. But there's a very easy way that you can capitalize on it, bring more traffic in, and you can pay, for example, him $200. And like I said, right, this average order cart value is $135. So this means that for each person that goes into the funnel, we're making $135. So that means that I can spend $200 because I literally need only 2 clients to break even. So let's just say, for example, I pay $200 to Entrepreneurship Facts. I create a good promotion. People go back to my page. At the very minimum, I'm going to have 100 to 200 people going back to my page. We have about 5% conversion rate. That equals, let's say 5 people at $135 a pop. That means 5 times 135. That means that I just made 675 minus 200, which was the price for the promotion. I just made profit $475 from just one single promotion. What happens if I consistently do this over and over again? You can see how crazy the numbers get in a very short amount of time. And you can see now why we're able to do over $18,000 completely passively in just 5 days by doing this exact thing that I'm showing you right here. So again, just to recap, make sure you're posting pictures like this to promote the funnel or low ticket offer or passive income funnel that you have. Again, do you have a 6-pack, whatever the case may be, whatever it is that you have, you can do it like that. And then make sure you're promoting it to the link in bio. You're using Creator Studio to schedule it out throughout the night. And then you're taking it down the following morning, and to make sure your audience is growing consistently and you're not just like saturating the same people over and over and over again with promotions. Make sure you're running influencer marketing campaigns to grow your account, and you can obviously run also influencer and Instagram ads on your account to grow it even more. If you want to find out obviously how to do that, just click the link in the description down below. There's a free video here on YouTube where we break down how to run the influencer campaigns to grow your account even further. So that's really it, right? That's how we made, again, $18,000 with an average order cart value of $135. Now, the obviously following piece that you might be asking yourself, okay, Josue, how do I actually build a funnel, and how do I do and create a low ticket offer that actually converts, that's actually good, and is actually able to bring me at the very minimum $1,000 a day completely passively? As you can see in this case, we only need 10 clients. 10 people who buy this per day, which equals 135 times. So we need only 8 people per day to go into this and buy this, right? Very, very easy to do. It's completely passive, like I said. That's the cool part about it all. So now obviously the The funnel is tight, the offer is good, and the copy and all that good stuff. Everything that goes into it on how to make it happen is actually good. So if you want us to talk about and do another video where we break down the numbers and how we created the funnel and how we did the back-end systems for this to make it happen, make sure you comment down below the word funnel. And if we get to, I don't know, a few hundred people commenting the word funnel and hit a like on this video, we're just gonna do another video right here on YouTube where we break down everything step by step and how we were able to make this happen. And that's how you make over $1,000 a day from Instagram with a very small following, completely passively. Now the question is, how do you actually apply this yourself? Or you probably are saying, Josue, I don't want to do this myself, I just want you to do it. So if that's you and you want us and my entire team to do this completely for you, just click the link down below in the description. It's going to be able to take you to completely free training and also booking a call with us directly. We're just going to see if we can help you or not. We're going to talk about your business goals, and if we can actually build you a $1,000 per day passive income Instagram funnel that allows you to run it for your business with pretty much like very, very low effort. As you can see, like $1,000 a day is quite a bit of money, completely hands-free. That's over $30,000 a month. And as you can see, like even if we charge $30,000, which we don't right now, maybe we will in the future, but we don't charge $30,000. But even when we did, as you can see, it's definitely worth it because of the potential and the money that you're able to make from it. Because of Instagram traffic, because right now Instagram is such a humongous platform that not many people are capitalizing on. Now, most important thing, make sure you go implement it. We only have about 5 people per month that we take on and we actually build completely done for them. But if you want that, click the link below. We'll schedule a call. We'll talk with you and see if we can actually help you build this completely done for you. Obviously, it's not cheap, like I said, but it's definitely worth it if you want us to build that completely for you. Now, having said that, make sure you hit that like down below in this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below so you don't miss any of the other videos that we put out right here. And make sure you apply it because you literally could be making next month or $1,000 a day if you just implement the things that we showed right here on this video. Having said that, that has been Josue Pena from Online Sales, and we'll see you on the next one.